So here is this app called LOOKSMAXIA, UMAXIA Looks. So this is like alternative app both for LOOKSMAX and for UMAX, made probably by some company just trying to get on the hype train and create this alternative app. But who knows, sometimes this app just offer better pricing, or they can offer free trial, because you can't use UMAX for free in LooksMax. You also need to upgrade. So here, like, learn about yourself, choose or take a selfie. So here you can just go and take a selfie. So let's just try it out, whatever. So you can just then you can just choose a side selfie or whatever. So here I can just try that. And then here there is a free 3 days free trial. So it's a different pricing structure. So there is, in this app, you either have 3 days free trial or you have yearly plan for a very expensive price. So yeah, because in UMAX you need to pay right away, but it's a weekly subscription, like $4. Here you can try with a 3-day free trial, and then then you can just use it. Like, basically, if on iPhone, if you have 3-day free trial, it means that you can use the app for free for 2 days. I mean, you need to cancel your trial after 2 days, and then you won't be charged. Sorry, so that's what I meant. Because if you cancel your iPhone trial on a 3rd day, then you will be charged the full price, the yearly price. So then it's kind of expensive. But if you're using this app for subscribe to a 3-day free trial, cancel on the 2nd day at latest, then you won't be charged, and that's completely normal. That's how you use free trials on iPhone, on iOS. So yeah, try that. That's the app. And I upgraded in UMAX app. I paid like $4 or something, so you can just see that this is like how it looks like. You just upload your photo, and then you will just get ratings and results, something like that. So if you think this is worth it, or you just want to share these results with your friends on Snapchat, you can just pay, or you can try out this app with a free trial. So yeah, try it out.